si Steven juga bilang kalau wheelset frame itu dan di sini tuh mereka masih bikin pakai tangan. Jadi aku cukup kagum ya bahwa mereka masih building by hands, right?
Yeah, all by hand.
Setahun tuh dia bisa bikin 10.000 sampai 20.000 produksinya.
So this one is C5 bike.
Yep.
Is more for like entry riders.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when we think entry people, they need a bike more stable. So the whole wheelbase is a little bit longer, also wider. Tire clearance. Yes. And this painting we call
Paris-Roubaix?
Paris-Roubaix.
Yeah.
Because this time we are first Chinese brand join the Paris-Roubaix race. Yeah. Also we send one Chinese national champion girls to run the whole race. Yeah. So for do you like this color?
Yeah.
Yeah, like here, like some stones.
It's like a cobblestone in Paris-Roubaix, right?
Yeah, stone. And also here has some different degrees. Grace. The star, it means different difficulty for the course. More difficult. Yeah.
More. In when you watch the Paris-Roubaix, you can see the black one is the harder.
Yeah. Here, like a 5 star. Five star is harder. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So also this bike in China really we sold more than 1,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Also really hot in China. The performance is stability is really good. Stability.
Yeah, because you using a longer wheelbase.
Yeah, longer wheelbase. Yeah, because unless like entry rider will feel nervous along with when they firstly ride a low bike. Yeah. Okay. So this afternoon you can also try different bikes. We will bring some bikes for you to try.
Thank you, Steven.
Okay.
Should I translate?
You can translate.
So jadi nih teman-teman, ini adalah sepeda Swing Space model C5. Jadi C5 ini dia grade-nya bisa dibilang ya entry, tapi entry-nya nih menarik. Entry bukan berarti entry murahan ya, enggak, tapi maksudnya dia bikin entry karena dia bikin wheelbase-nya agak lebih panjang daripada model-model lainnya nih. Jadi dengan adanya wheelbase yang lebih panjang, berarti stability si sepedanya ini akan lebih mudah dikendari sama orang yang baru masuk ke dunia sepeda balap. Dan yang warna yang kali ini Steven kasih ini yang Paris-Roubaix Edition nih. Jadi mereka terinspirasi dan mereka sangat bangga banget bahwa mereka punya tim Winspace menjadi brand Chinese pertama yang ikut di classic event di Paris-Roubaix, dan mereka juga punya tim nasional China tuh yang ikut. Jadi mereka untuk menghargai itu Winspace bikin livery khusus buat Paris-Roubaix. Dan tadi si Steven bilang bahwa nanti aku disuruh cobain sepedanya. Nah, aku jadi penasaran nih kayak apa nantinya. Okay. I told to my audience, I will taste this bike and I'm excited to try.
Okay, cool. So now I will show you our warehouse.
Okay.
So all this is ready to ship.
Oh.
It's a complete bags.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one, assembling.
And then we will have like a QC station to check all the shifts. Yeah.
All the
like a shifter. Yeah. And also after we do the QC, we will pack. Yeah, and then we send to the shops.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So here is also ready to ship.
Okay.
So in China every day we ship about 50 bags.
50 bags.
Yeah, to the shops. Okay.
Every day.
Every day.
Oh my God, that's too many.
So the reason I show you my warehouse.
Okay.
So we stock lots of Shimanos.
Oh.
Also we are a customer, important customer for Shimano in China.
Okay.
Good partners. Yeah. So you can see here we have lots.
A lot of
we
bike
stock
parts?
thousands of Shimano.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't know. Have a good day.
Yeah. And I also lived in Japan. Yeah, we also have one company in Tokyo.
What company? Sorry.
Yeah, Winspace Tokyo.
Oh, yeah,
one,
okay, yeah.
One company. Yeah. So also I live in Japan. Yeah, my family is from Japan. Oh, yeah.
Because
I can also speak Japanese.
Okay.
Yeah, so not Shimano is our.
Is your
Yeah.
like your family, second family, you know.
Yeah, my second hometown. Okay. For Luan wheels.
Okay.
Also, you see, we stock also more than 1,000
1,000
wheels. Yeah.
for all models. Or
Yeah. Mainly is Luan Hyper. Okay.
for me, this is like dreams come true.
Huh?
Is it? Yeah, it's like this is my boy's toys, you know.
Yeah.
My toys. Oh.
Paradise, you mean like
Yeah,
paradise?
paradise.
Okay. Also, yeah. Hyper.
This for me?
Yeah, for
Just
you.
kidding.
Okay. Besides China, we also have a warehouse in Osaka.
Osaka. in Japan.
Also in USA, also in Europe, for local like faster delivery. So we also some overseas warehouse. Okay.
Jadi tadi yang Steven bilang ini warehouse-nya si Lone Wheels nih. Jadi Lone Wheels dia punya 3-4 buat naro si barangnya, mungkin bisa dibilang udah hampir kayak distributor. Jadi ya ada di Jepang, US sama Europe. Jadi buat mereka cepat distribusinya, mereka punya warehouse juga di sana. Okay, what next after this one?
Yeah, we go to testing room.
Oh,
already. Okay. So the reason here I show you our R&D line, so we can lay up prototypes. Also, we can show you the storage of the carbon fiber.
Okay.
Okay. We all Winspace only use Toray carbon fiber. Okay. Here is the
storage room.
Yeah, it's really because in carbon you cannot put it in the
Heat.
In the heat. Need to be cool. Oh yeah. Yeah.
This one, right?
Okay. Go inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Yeah. So this is the treatment of the carbon itself. They need to be cold.
Yeah. Need to be.
So you make this storage is cold as possible, right?
No need too cold.
Oh, no need to cold.
Yeah, no need too cold. Too cold unless you will lose lots of like electric power.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tadi Steven ngasih lihat nih, ini adalah storage roomnya buat carbon fibers dari Winspace. Jadi Winspace itu dia pakai Toray untuk karbonnya. Dan kenapa dibikin ruangan yang bisa dibilang dingin ya? Jadi karena ternyata si carbon fiber itu sifatnya dia nggak bisa terkena panas. Jadi mereka bikin satu ruangan kalau bisa sesejuk dan tidak panas lah. Intinya nggak dingin banget tapi nggak panas. Jadi biar si carbon fibernya itu tetap bagus dari kondisinya. Jadi sebelum mereka masuk ke tahap sebelumnya, jadi inilah storage dari awal mula dari carbon fiber frame-nya. Gitu.
Okay. And there is our cutting machine. So all these room need to be cool. So 24-hour the air conditioner is on. Okay.
So the carbon itself is like
yeah. So we cut the big pieces into small pieces, and then we do layup.
Okay.
So here is all like a carbon sheets.
Oh, carbon sheet.
Yeah.
Jadi teman-teman, udah tadi si carbon labnya udah disimpan. Nah inilah tempat dimana si karbonnya itu yang tadinya gulungan dia akan potong. Do you using a laser cut for
laser?
Laser.
Yeah.
Jadi mereka menggunakan laser cut buat jadi part kecil. Nanti yang akhirnya mereka akan mulai menyatukan semua karbonnya piece by piece.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
This is
It's molding.
It's a bit warmer than another room.
Yeah. So after we lay up, so the reason here is the molding.
Okay.
After you do lay up, we need to put in the machine to bake.
To bake, yeah.
Yeah. Usually we need more than 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah, to bake the one frame or one rims.
Oke.
Okay.
Jadi teman-teman ini adalah bagian paling penting juga nih. Jadi dari tadi udah di laser cut, mereka sudah molding. Ini adalah tempat di mana si karbon itu, aku bilangnya kayak dimasak ya. Jadi di bake itu untuk satu frame sama satu wheel set itu membutuhkan masing-masing 1 jam untuk proses bakingnya gitu. So this is not only the wheel set. Also
the
set.
handlebars. Yeah.
As long as the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
You're doing it on this place, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you mind? I see. This is very.
The move? You can we open?
What? It's very
So we
tough.
cannot open.
Yeah, it's okay.
Probably some. Yeah.
I think
Probably
it's
some
very
screw.
still.
Some screw need to.
It's okay.
Okay.
This one.
Cannot.
It's okay.
Okay. 那走吧。
And they put their bikes in here.
Yes. So the reason I show you our showroom.
Okay.
Okay. So here is our history from 2008.
So the WinSpace start in 2008.
Yeah, 2008. 2012, we work with some Japanese coach for R&Ds.
Oh, R&D. Yeah.
Like Miura-san, really famous coach. Also some Japanese NJS frame builder.
NGS.
NJS for
NJS.
Keirin.
Keirin. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So I also lived in Osaka, learn how to design bags.
Yeah.
I spent 1 year in Osaka.
Cool.
Yeah. So you can translate or
Oke.
later.
Jadi teman-teman, nah di sini seperti Stephen bilang, ini adalah sebenarnya timelinenya dari brandnya WinSpace. Jadi dari WinSpace itu berdiri dari tahun 2008 nih. Dia berdiri dan di tahun 2012 WinSpace itu melakukan kerjasama sama tim Jepang. Terus kerjasamanya apa sih? Lebih ke R&D sih teman-teman. Dan si Stephen juga bilang dia belajar cara bikin frame dan mereka kerjasama juga sama builder ternama di Jepang, NJS Builder gitu. Jadi Stephen juga di sana belajar banyak deh soal gimana sih cara bikin frame bike di Jepang. So
and later we created one team. In 2014, there's one big race here in Fujian province, and we got the championship.
Sorry, can you repeat?
We also sponsored one team.
Oh, one team.
In
this is your
WinSpace team in 2014, and then in a big race here in Fujian province, we got a championship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jadi di tahun 2014 mungkin this is your first year you have your own team?
WinSpace team.
Oke, jadi di tahun 2014 bisa dibilang tahun pertamanya si WinSpace punya tim balap sendiri. Jadi dia juga menjuarai beberapa race di daerah-daerah di Cina.
Yeah. And here 2007 first time we sponsor one UCI team called Minsk from Palidus. Palidus.
Oke.
Minsk UCI team. Yeah.
Jadi di tahun setelah dari 2014, 2017 akhirnya si tim WinSpace mensponsori tim UCI.
Yeah, UCI team. And also we attended lots of races like famous Qinghai Lake. 2-hour Qinghai Lake. Yeah. Also we got some adult jersey for stage winner.
Okay.
They use SLC, one of Silverlight model SLC. Also gold lots of like a stage winners.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
jadi di tahun 2017 juga mereka sponsorin juga tuh event di sana. Jadi mereka memberi ya SLC frame juga di sana.
Okay. And also 2019, we create Lun wheels.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is the birth of Lun wheels.
Lun wheels, yeah, Luns. In the past 10 years, we work on frames.
Ya.
Yeah, and then 2019, we launched Lun wheels, and then become really famous in the whole world. Famous for carbon spoke.
Oh.
Yeah, and at some time the share is the world number one in some time for the carbon spokes.
Jadi ini tahun 2019, tahun yang penting juga buat Winspace. Jadi yang Stephen bilang di tahun 2019 adalah tahun dimana si Lun Wheels itu lahir. Jadi dan pada ketika Lun Wheels itu hadir, Stephen bilang itu jadi Lun Wheels tuh famous banget. Kenapa begitu? Karena dia adalah brand yang waktu itu udah gunain carbon spokes. Jadi maka mereka jadinya famous banget pada saat itu.
Yeah, so Lun, so far Lun is also a leading brand for carbon spokes.
Oh, oke.
Yes.
Dan jadi maka itu dari tadinya yang aku bilang karena Lun Wheels sudah pakai carbon spokes, jadi dia menjadi brand yang the leading brand of the carbon spoke. Yeah.
And also 2020, we get a certificate from government for high technologies. So far, we have more than 30 patents.
Okay, you do some patents on 20.
Yeah. We have lots of patents. Like a mega halo spoke is also a patent.
Yeah.
And so now our company is a high technology company. Yeah, in this field, it's a certificate from government. Yes.
Jadi di tahun 2022, Winspace itu memiliki atau mengklaim sudah mempunyai banyak paten lah di bidangnya, seperti spokesnya Lun Mega itu salah satu yang mereka patenkan. Jadi membuat si Winspace brand ini jadi bisa dibilang kayak high tech company gitu di fieldnya, yaitu si di bicycles.
Okay, and 2023, we sponsored one team, big team.
Yes.
Winspace women's team.
Yep.
In France, and also this year we attend two really big races. One is Paris-Roubaix, and the other is La Volta.
La Volta,
La Volta, and also we got really good, I think, records. So totally about 16th, because other competitor is World Tour. We are continental, so we still got really good records. Ranking and the whole race ranking, I remember is 16.
16.
Yes. For one stage, we even got 11. Yes.
Okay. That's very good. I mean, for whole year you I can see you are growing.
Yeah. And in China now we are top brand, really top.
Jadi di tahun 2003, Stephen cerita bahwa ini adalah di era si tim Winspace itu mempunyai tim woman sendiri nih. Jadi dan mereka bilangnya Winspace Women Cycling Team, right?
Yes.
Nah di sana tuh si tim balap sepeda perempuan ini udah ngikutin beberapa event ternama lah di dunia, which is tadi yang aku sebut sebelumnya, Paris-Roubaix, terus La Vuelta Espanya juga, ya kan. Dan mereka memberikan hasil yang bagus juga pada saat itu, yang membuat Winspace tuh menjadi brand yang paling maju deh di bidangnya, which is sepeda.
Okay. So we need to. So the condition can be wet, can be salty. So we will see all the hops.
And also the
hops need to be really like waterproof.
Yeah.